Hey there, young adventurers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of mammals, some of the coolest creatures on our planet. Mammals are everywhere, from the freezing Arctic to scorching deserts. They come in all shapes and sizes, each one more amazing than the last. Get ready to uncover what makes these animals so extraordinary. Some mammals are gigantic, like elephants and giraffes. Others are tiny, like mice and squirrels. But no matter their size, all mammals have some incredible features in common. Are you pumped to learn more? Let's jump right in. Just like you and me, mammals have backbones. A backbone is a strong, flexible column of bones that runs down the back. It helps mammals stand tall and move around. Animals with backbones are called vertebrates. Mammals are part of a big family of vertebrates that includes fish, amphibians, reptiles, and birds. But remember, only mammals have all the special features we'll talk about today. Let's move on to the next exciting feature of mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded. This means they can keep their body temperature the same, no matter how hot or cold it is outside. Isn't that cool? Think of a polar bear living in the Arctic. It's freezing cold outside, but the polar bear stays warm and toasty thanks to its warm blood. Warm blood helps mammals stay active even in extreme temperatures. Ready for another amazing mammal fact? Section 4. Hairy or furry friends. Have you ever petted a dog or a cat? Their soft fur is another special feature of mammals. Almost all mammals have hair or fur covering their bodies. Fur and hair help keep mammals warm in cold weather. They also protect their skin from the sun and rain. Some mammals, like whales and dolphins, have very little hair. But they are still mammals because they have other special features. Let's find out what makes mammal babies so special. Section 5. Mammal babies are born live. Have you ever wondered how most mammal babies come into the world? It's quite fascinating. Most mammal mothers give birth to live babies. This means that unlike birds or reptiles which lay eggs, mammals carry their babies inside their bodies until they are ready to be born. This means the babies grow inside their mothers' bellies until they are ready to be born. The baby animals develop and get all the nutrients they need from their mothers through a special connection called the placenta. Think of a mother dog with her puppies. Before they were born, the puppies were growing inside their mother's belly, getting everything they needed to develop. The puppies grew inside their mother's belly until they were born. Once they are born, they are tiny and need a lot of care and attention from their mother. Then they were ready to nurse and grow bigger. Nursing is when the mother feeds her babies milk from her body. This milk is very important because it helps the babies grow strong and healthy. There are only two mammals that lay eggs, the platypus and the echidna. These animals are very unique and special because they are the only exceptions to the rule. Even though they lay eggs, they still share many characteristics with other mammals. But even though they lay eggs, they still feed their babies milk, just like other mammals. This milk provides all the nutrients the baby needs to grow and thrive. Speaking of milk, let's learn about another amazing feature of mammals. Section 6. Milk for mammal babies. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of how mammal mothers care for their young ones. Mammal mothers produce milk to feed their babies. This milk is not just any ordinary food, it is packed with essential nutrients and antibodies that help the baby mammals grow and stay healthy. Milk is a special food that gives baby mammals all the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. It contains proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that are crucial for their development. Think of a baby elephant drinking milk from its mother. The bond between the mother and her baby is incredibly strong, and the milk she provides is vital for the baby elephant's growth. The mother elephant's milk provides all the nourishment the baby elephant needs to grow big and strong. This milk is specially formulated by nature to meet the needs of the baby elephant. Mammal mothers are very caring. They not only feed their babies but also keep them warm, clean, and safe from predators. This nurturing behavior is essential for the survival of the young ones. They nurse and protect their babies until they are old enough to take care of themselves. This period of care can vary greatly among different mammal species, from a few weeks to several years. Are you ready for another amazing mammal fact? Did you know that some mammal mothers can produce different types of milk depending on the needs of their babies? Section 7. Mammals breathe with lungs. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of how mammals breathe. Just like you and me, mammals need air to breathe. When we take a deep breath, our lungs fill up with air, and the oxygen from that air is absorbed into our bloodstream. This oxygen is then carried to every part of our body, helping us stay alive and active. All mammals have lungs, which are special organs that help them take in oxygen from the air. The lungs are like sponges, expanding and contracting as we breathe in and out. This process is called respiration, and it's essential for our survival. Even mammals that live in the water like whales and dolphins need to come to the surface to breathe air. They have blowholes on top of their heads that allow them to take in air quickly before diving back down into the water. They can hold their breath for a long time, but they can't breathe underwater like fish can. Whales and dolphins have adapted to their aquatic environments in amazing ways, but they still rely on their lungs to get the oxygen they need. We've learned so much about mammals. From their unique breathing systems to their diverse habitats, there's always something new to discover. Remember, mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates that have hair or fur, which helps them regulate their body temperature. This is why you might see a furry animal in cold climates staying warm and cozy. They give birth to live young, except for the platypus and echidna, which means the babies develop inside the mother's body until they are ready to be born. This gives the young a better chance of survival in the wild, and produce milk to feed their babies. This milk is packed with nutrients that help the young grow strong and healthy. It's a remarkable way that mammal mothers ensure their offspring have the best start in life. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can all keep exploring the wonders of nature together.